This is how I set up the throttle damping. On my channel 3, which is my weapon, I have this middle modifier. The last one is just a switch that makes the weapon go full throttle. And this one, what it looks like is it's called, it takes my AIL, which is my left to right, and adds a modifier of -46 to it. It has a custom curve called hype, which I'll show you in a second. And there's a switch that allows me to enable and disable this feature. So if we take a look at what this looks like, this is what the curve looks like. It's sort of this V-shaped situation. And I'll show you how this then works in practice. So, get to the channel viewer. Okay, so here I'm at 0 throttle, so the weapon is not enabled. I'll arm it. And now, as I increase my throttle, you see it goes from -100 to +100. However, with my damper on, if I'm at, let's say, 100 and I steer left, you'll see how my throttle is dropping down proportionate to the amount that I'm moving my stick left and right. And the same thing happens if I move left, same thing happens if I move right. Now, if I'm below 0, of course, we don't want to subtract from that because that's just going to make it even. We don't add to that, rather, so it keeps subtracting to it. And that's kind of what that curve is accomplishing for us. So it continues to drop it down closer to -0. And then, of course, I have my little override switch that I can disable this feature. So if I didn't like it, or if it's getting in the way or whatever, I can toggle it off and on. And then I have my full weapon throttle switch, which is just there for, I guess, for fun.